This is the DJI Mic 2, a camera module that goes for the DJI Mic 2 receiver only for your Sony.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
And I'm going to show you what you get in the box. And all you get is the Mic 2. If you want to look at the information provided, we have some paperwork located as well. And here we are. DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. This is the information that they give you. If you want to find out about your camera, you're going to check on the compatibility list that they offer you. And let me show you what it looks like and what you're going to get when you look for your camera. This is a Sony ZV-1 Mark II. You take the cables, you get rid of them. They're no longer needed. Discard them. That's it. You take the cover off that goes to the hot shoe. Just pull it off. You place it on to the top and it slides on. It only goes to the hot shoes of a Sony ZV-1, Mark I, Mark II, and other Sonys that have the hot shoe. Then all you do is lift the top up and you expose the 8 pins. You take the door that's on the receiver off and you simply slide on. You snap it into place. You're done. This doesn't rotate. It faces to the back of the camera. And you turn the camera on. You turn the receiver on, and the receiver is going to give you a confirmation. Press on it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. We got audio, but we don't have audio there for the reason of I have the microphone here. Now I'm going to switch over off of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. A long press. One, two, 1, 2. And now we're working. Wow. I want to make sure that you hear me. I'm going to go outside and record a video. Okay, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you hear me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. When I first started this, I had a problem. Not compatible for the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Well, here I have is the actual list over here. You can check it out for yourself right here. Compatibility list. It opens up to a download page. I tell you, that is something. Now, I just want to make sure if this works like it's supposed to, and I shut it off. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm still communicating, but not with the camera. So the only thing I need to do here is shut my transmitter off. I don't like to have this auto off with the camera for the reason of when I plug it into the computer, that's going to turn on. How sweet is that? So let me get the microphone off of that and onto you. There we go. Just like that. So if you're looking for a Sony ZV-1 Mark II DJI Mic 2 adapter for your Sony camera, don't get fooled by the information that is on the camera. I hope this review was just a little helpful. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love. Have a good one.